Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through setting up the TP-Link CPE510 for a seamless point-to-point connection. This setup is ideal for wirelessly bridging two locations over long distances, ensuring stable and reliable connectivity. Let's jump right in. First, let's unbox the TP-Link CPE510. Inside, you'll find the CPE510 units, a power adapter for each device, a mounting kit, and an Ethernet cable. Make sure you have everything you need before we begin. Start by placing both CPE510 units where you want to set them up. You'll need to mount these outside or in a position with a clear line of sight to each other. Make sure they're securely fastened using the mounting kit provided. Connect each CPE510 to a power source using the provided power adapters. Once powered on, wait for the LED indicators to show that the devices are booting up. This usually takes a few minutes. Next, connect your computer to the first CPE510 unit using an Ethernet cable. Open your web browser and enter the default IP address, which is 192.168.1.254, into the address bar. Press Enter to access the web interface. You'll be prompted to log in. The default username and password are both admin. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the TP-Link CPE510 setup page. Select Access Point Mode from the menu. Go to the wireless settings and configure your wireless network details. Set up your SSID, encryption type, and password. Make sure to note these settings, as you'll need them for the second CPE510. Now, move on to the second CPE510. Repeat the connection process, but this time, choose client mode instead of access point. Enter the same wireless network details you configured on the first CPE510. Once aligned, test the connection by checking if devices connected to the second CPE510 can access the network or internet. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a strong connection and have network access.